Hey everyone, happy Friday to you. I hope you're having an awesome day. Today I want to talk about what it is that you want. Where are you going? Have you ever thought about your destination? I don't know if you follow the law of attraction or you follow The Secret or anything like that, where what you think about, you bring about, and if you can envision it, you can attract it to you. Now, there's one key element that doesn't really get talked about in the law of attraction or The Secret, and that's the action step. It's good to think about where you want to go. It's good to envision that and really see it for yourself and embrace it. Like if, for example, you want to go on that awesome cruise, or you want to take your family to Disneyland, or you want to make a bunch of money, but when you're looking at money, you kind of want to peel that onion back a little bit. What do you want that money to do? Because money is a tool. Money will allow you to do the things that you want to do. So it's not like, hey, I want to make a bunch of money. It's, what do I want that money to do for me? I want that money to be able to buy me freedom. I want that money to allow me to do what I want to do. I want that money to allow me to throw away my alarm clock. Never have to worry about being woken up by that brutal alarm clock. Money will allow me to have that, Friday feeling every day, because Friday is awesome to many people because they start on Monday and they start counting down the days till Friday. You gotta love when people just walk into the office, right? I gotta start locking that door. But getting back to counting down the days till Friday, that's just not a way to live. So what money can do for you is it can do a lot of things. So that's just one example. But what I'm getting at here is think about the law of attraction. Think about manifesting things. Think about The Secret. Like it basically says what you envision. You basically tell the universe what you want, and the universe will bring it to you. It'll attract it to you, because you're either attracting stuff or you're repelling stuff. So with that mindset, the one thing that doesn't get talked about is the action step. So I want to use the analogy of your GPS. Okay. So when you're thinking about what you want, think about the destination. Think about the end goal. Because it's just like your GPS, right? So let's say you want to go somewhere. What do? You get in your car, you plug in the destination to your GPS, and you hit go. Now, let me ask you this. After you push the button go, do you worry about where you're going? Do you worry about the turns that are coming up? Do you get anxiety about, am I going the right way? Am I going the wrong way? Should I be going this way? No. You basically sit back, maybe you make a phone call, because let's be honest, we get in the car, we make a phone call, just talk to people. You turn on the radio, you go. But the most important step here is you put the car in drive, you hit the gas pedal, and you go. That GPS will guide you to your final destination. You told the GPS where you want, what your end goal, where your end location is. So even if you make that wrong turn, what happens? The GPS is going to reroute you and get you back to your destination. So when you're thinking about what you want, when you're building your dreams, when you're putting that vision board together, when you're looking at what you really want in life and you want to envision it, think about the end goal. It's not your job to worry about how you're going to get there, okay? The only thing that you need to do is you need to let the universe know what you want. You need to think about what you want. You need to envision what you want, and then you need to start making the steps forward going towards that goal. Are you going to make some wrong turns? Absolutely. We all have setbacks. But the beautiful thing is once you start putting that motion in place, the universe is going to guide you back to get you on the right track. So when you're thinking about what you really want, put that end goal in mind. Don't worry about, don't get anxiety about, don't freak out about, the how-tos and how you're going to do it. Once you start opening up your mind and you start changing your mindset, information is just going to start flowing to you. Ideas are just going to come to you. You'll be in the shower and be like, bam, here's another idea. Where'd that come from? You're sleeping. All of a sudden, you just open up the universe. You let the universe know what you want, and it's going to feed you the information. The most important part, like I said, is you need to be going in that direction. You need to be listening. A lot of times we're not listening. We say, well, I tried it. I wanted to do it, but nothing ever happened. Too many times, we have too much of that white noise that we can't, we can't hear or see, what information is coming to us. We're blocking out. We start repelling it. Got something stuck in my throat here. So, moral of the story today is have an awesome day. think about the end goal when you're building your vision board, when you're putting your thoughts out into the universe, because what you think about, you bring about. I mean, your programming equals your thoughts. Your thoughts create your feelings. Your feelings are going to result in your actions, and those actions are going to be your results. So if you don't like your results, you don't like where you are right now, you have to look where that started from. You have to look on the inside. Just like a tree. If you look at a tree, right, and that fruit on that tree comes out bad, you can't take that fruit off the tree and make it a better fruit, right? You need to look at the roots. Maybe it didn't get enough water, because the roots create the fruits, right? So you can't change the end result, but you can change the program. You can change, you got to change internally before you can have other external results. So this went a lot longer than I wanted to, so I do apologize. But have an awesome day. Smile. Looks good on you. Feels good. If I can help in any way, let me know. But I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching. And just go out there and make today a great day. Thank you so much. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.